Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Western Union, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on one of my other videos, and that is, how do you find your Western Union referral code? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need your Western Union referral code anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you do online marketing, you know that referral codes can start to add up over time, and Western Union does offer a referral code program from time to time. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Western Union app. It's this black and yellow one here on the left side. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I'm going to go ahead and open up my Western Union app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened my Western Union app. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get your Western Union referral code, you do need to log in. I've already logged into my Western Union account. Once you've done that, then you want to go ahead and click on this menu button here on the top right. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop down menu, and in order to get your Western Union referral code, you got to scroll down until you get to this section here called Refer a Friend. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see the referral code program that Western Union is running right now. For my particular account, it lets me know that when someone uses my referral code and they send $100 or more with Western Union, I'll end up getting a $20 Amazon e-gift code, and also they will receive that in their inbox as well. So here is your Western Union referral code, and all you're going to do is just go ahead and click on this copy link button, and then you can go ahead and paste it into a text message or your social media or email or however you normally share your referral codes. Now, if you want to see what the terms are, you're going to look for this little yellow box right here. So you can see that I referred quite a few people. However, many of them don't qualify. And the main reason for that is because they need to send $100 or more with the app within 30 days of creating their profile. So if they end up sending $100 or $200 or whatever it is after 30 days, then you do not qualify for that Western Union referral code bonus, and they do not either. Also, they do have a limit of 15 friends that can use your Western Union referral code. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to find your Western Union referral code, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.